Hey all, welcome back to my channel NPS Utopia. I'm Nidhi Sharma. I'm wishing you all a very happy Navratri, very happy Dashera, whoever is celebrating, or to all my Bengalis viewer, happy Pujo. Wish you all had fun. So today is Navami Ashtami and it's weekend. So I was wearing this sari for my Pujo. I thought of shooting a video and meeting you all and letting you know that don't let your spirit go down this COVID situation, this 2020. Just cheer up, wear nice clothes, meet your friends, be happy, and let's make each other happy by meeting and greeting, though it's virtual this time. But come on, it's our festival time, it's our festival spirit, don't let it go down. So by keeping this spirit, I'm here to organize a giveaway, because when everything was normal till last year, I used to, whenever these festivities were around the corner, I used to do small sort of giveaway. Not actually giveaway, it was like some sort of competition within my team. I miss my team this year so much. I miss you all, guys. If you are watching me, I miss you all. Hope we meet soon. So what happened was, I used to organize something and I used to give them some sort of gift, because that is our culture, that is our tradition, to share happiness, to share gifts whenever it's festival time. So why not at our family, at our this platform NPS Utopia, between me and you. Though I'm virtually connected with you all, but I'm always there to bring joy, to share happiness with you all. So I'm organizing a small giveaway. It's my first giveaway. Hope, keeping my fingers crossed, that you guys enjoy as much I am enjoying shooting this video. So it's just a very simple, the rules are very simple. What you have, first let me show you what all I have for you, so that it brings a smile to your face. Hope you like small items which I have kept it for you. So first thing is, like, I'm very fond of jewelries. See, I'm wearing these Chandbalis, this huge one, and this Mang Tika. So in similar fashion, I have this jhumkis, this golden jhumki from Dhwani Jewelers. See here, isn't it pretty? I love jhumkis, by the way. If you ask me, like, what do I like in the entire jewelry range, I always prefer jhumki. So this is one of my personal favorite. It's brand new and I would love to give it to one of my viewer. I have kept 5 different items so that maximum people hold the chance. I will share the rules and the participation rule by later half in this video. First, let me show quickly the next item. Yes, one was golden, this one is silver jewelry. How many of you love silver jewelries? I do. So I'm sure many of you would be loving silver jewelry. So this is sort of oxidized long chain, which you can wear, like many people would love to wear in their western outfit. I would accessorize it in my white shirt, and it would, white shirt, black shirt, you could accessorize it in your western outfit, in your Indian wear, everything. This is so versatile. I loved it. I personally picked this up. And you would get 2 earrings and 1 Mang Tika. Lovely, right? I hope it will bring joy to your face. And next is few makeup item. So this is Miniso eyebrow pencil. The same thing, I'm using it here. I have the other one with me. Don't worry, it's completely brand new. So this is the one. I normally stock many things because I was always a makeup junkie. It is not that I had planned this giveaway. No. It is not like I've just started my channel. I just want to grow with you all. I just want to share love, share gifts with you all always. It's not about telling you guys, oh, you have to subscribe. No, if you genuinely love me, if you genuinely want to support me, please subscribe to my channel. Share this with your friends and family who would love to watch such content. So yeah, coming back, I'm not deviating from the topic. So this was the eyebrow pencil, and next is this favorite purple hue Maybelline Color Sensational, in the Mysterious Mauve. Yeah, the shade name is Mysterious Mauve. Why I have kept it is because it goes in sync, right? You have the eyebrow pencil, you have this beauty to define your to define your eyes and to look glamorous this coming festive season. Yeah, Diwali is coming, Karwa Chauth is coming. I'm excited. I'm always excited. And next is this. I have kept it like for everybody. This is like Recule sunscreen SPF 50 plus. I had used this a couple of times, and I like this brand, so I had bought sunscreen and many other toner and everything for myself. So I had kept it, this one, for like this can be used by men as well. That's why I've kept this neutral thing for everybody, all my audience. And the last one is the sheet mask to enhance your glow, to enhance your beauty in this coming festive season. Yeah, my pallu is like, please. Yeah, so now I have these 5-6 items along with me. What I'm going to do is I will share a small what do you call that, rule. I'm not a pro, please excuse me. So what you have to do is you must follow me. Obviously you must be subscribed to my channel, then only I would know that we are connected, we are a family. So please subscribe to my channel and please follow me on Instagram. My ID is NPS132. Yes, it is NPS132. I would link it down in the description box. And follow me at Instagram, tag me. What you need to do is share this video, this particular video, with your friends and family. Tag me whenever you're sharing it on Instagram, and that's it. It's pretty simple. I'm not asking you to do more. I'm just asking you to spread this to spread joy along spread joy with everybody, and help me grow further, help me give you feedback so that I can grow further. And yes, I promise to continue entertaining you by making more videos, by making more vlogs. Yes, I'm planning to vlog something very special because we have like many festival coming up soon. So I have planned very interesting vlogs. So stay tuned, stay happy, stay positive, always feel good, look good. Bye for now. Thank you. Hey, so you must have got the rules, you must have understood the rules. I'm going to reiterate again. So it's pretty simple. You must be subscribed to my channel NPS Utopia. You must be following me on my Instagram handle, that is NPS132. And what you have to do is share this video at Facebook, at any other social media, and tag me there so that I would come to know that you have shared it with your friends and family. And that's how I'm going to pick 5 of lucky winner, no, 5 of lucky viewers. I'm going to pick 5 of them, and then I'm going to send these 5 beauties, 5 gifts to you all. And if I'm not able to pick, because it is not possible to pick all of you, but I promise you that I'm going to plan so many giveaways, because I love spreading joy. I love, as I told you, that I used to do the same thing when I was in my company, in my IT firm. So please don't think that all of you are not holding a chance. You never know that you are holding a chance. Whosoever is watching me, everybody is holding a chance, and there is no discrimination. Anybody, I would just pick randomly people who have shared more. Obviously I am going to pick pick them, please don't forget to tag me, and I'm going to announce the winner of this, my first giveaway, pretty soon by 31st of October. Do check my Insta stories, do check my Instagram handle to know that who has won. And till that time, stay positive, stay beautiful, stay active all the time, keep looking good. Bye. Happy Pujo. See you soon.